Suppose you are the captain of your school. Write a notice for the students of your school requesting them to participate in a program entitled Know Your Neighbours. Notice number, date. Know Your Neighbours program. This is to inform you that our school is organizing a special community program titled Know Your Neighbours on Sunday, 21st December 2025 from 9 am to 12 pm in the school auditorium. The program aims to promote harmony and understanding among neighbors through interactive activities, group discussions, and cultural exchanges. Your active participation will help build stronger community ties and earn house points. Interested students are requested to register their names with the class teacher on 18th December 2025. For further details, contact at the Student Council office. Countersigned by Captain of the Student Council, own name.